So here's our nice big awning window in the kitchen. Overall, pretty happy with what it looks like from this perspective. However, you can see a little bit of the bowing here in the middle. It gets more clear when you get up close. It's kind of tight there, gets wider here, and back tight again. Major reasons are really hardly any horizontal movement. You can get a little depth movement, but no horizontal movement there. And the other thing that's so this one's kind of tight. The other thing that's, we'll say weird and needs some kind of solution is, you know, up here we have the gap here between the trim and the wall going through here. Really big, deep piece there all the way across. Kind of a problem that needs to be addressed somewhere. I don't think that's just a painter's problem. I think that's going to need a little piece of trim, something to cover up that gap. You can also kind of see from this perspective, there are a couple, I don't know, I'll call them blowouts, that there might be something else, but you know, something that maybe finishes this edge. Maybe it's just one piece, it kind of complements something, makes it a little more consistent. Hard to say because it does need to maintain this overall ethic of a nice, long, thin piece. So just trying to look for some kind of solution there.